I'm Hwisisani Kwele, and I'm 18 years old. Lights, camera, action. This is the Gemstone show, and I'm Hwisi, your host. And I'll be talking about you. And I say, what's good, niggas? I say, oh, what's good? So today we're going to be talking about those who've already auditioned. And we're going to go put your number twos in the air because you did it on them. So put your number twos in the air. And then we're going to talk about you who haven't auditioned, who sit and then wait for New York to pass you by. I said New York. And I mean Hollywood, baby, where Will Smith is. So those actors, those Will Smithers, who make us go like, oh my gosh, Will Smith is dead. But it's not real. And those Naomi Campbells who strike a pose and go like, bam. And what? You fierce. And those ushers who make us want to dance because they got the move and the groove. And of course, we have those Beyoncés who sing and make us want to dance for him. You know what I'm saying? Lastly, we have the same people. We have the sugar-coated candy that I do, the TV presenters. You better holler at me. You better holler at me because if you want to go to Hollywood, and I mean Hollywood, baby, you better come back. So peace out. And I'm Hwisi.